Hi, I am Manuel and welcome to a new video on this channel, and for this occasion we have this Galaxy A22 5G with a slightly robust case, but well, let's start it. Well, as you can see in this title, we have here One UI 5, well, specifically One UI Core. One UI 5 Core means that is a light version of the Samsung customization layer for this device. So, well, it is quite interesting that you receive it. It's a Galaxy A22 5G that we have here at hand. So it is not the 4G variant, but the 5G variant is this. And well, so as not to waste more time, we are going to date it right here. The size of the 1.5 gigabyte update, practically 1.5 gigabytes, with the security patch of December 1 of the last year. In this case, the update has been since the beginning of February, or well, as you can see, January 2021. But until today, February 6, I will be able to update it. So, well, I don't get caught up anymore, and we are going to install it now. So, this is going to take a while. I'm going to leave it here, and I am going to put the progress obviously in time lapse. Well, here we have it. We see that it has already been updated, so part of the process has already finished. Right now the device is turning on, as you can see on the screen, and right now it will take a little time on this screen that says Samsung Galaxy, and then it will jump to another screen that is the application optimization screen, which is precisely that one that is just a preview right now. As you can see, so this other screen will also take a little bit of time because it is adapting all the new applications to the new version of the operating system. That includes installed application and system application. So I will go back, I will put this back in fast motion so I don't roll anymore and continue the video. Very well, here it finished. We are going to unlock it. Here we can see it and look at this change of icon. Then it is already noticeable that it updated to One UI Core 5. Very good. In this change of icon and also of the notification bar, the notifications as such, or the notification icon, let's scroll here to settings. And while the quick update is over, you can see here where it says your phone was updated, and here we see the version of, well, here is the storage, how much capacity the system occupies. Let's see, and we have 28 gigabytes for to be One UI 5 in its core or light version. It is a bit heavy. Connected device, we have here the option of Galaxy Bots, also wireless connection such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or NFC. We are going to see here in sound and vibration if there is something to see. As throughout here, well, I do not appreciate any change at the moment, but from what we appreciate there is not much to see either. It is already a aesthetic update that properly integrates a better aesthetic that more functions, but will add one or another functions. We see that here added something. We are going to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. It seems to that one UI core does not have video routines, but as you can see here, we have the option of video routines, which is a good thing. It must be recognized in that moment. I don't remember if one UI core brings the routines or not. If you know, let me know in the comments box. Here we already have it. We see that it is updating several applications as well, and here we see the lock screen that I have already customized a bit, so that you can appreciate that it can be customized in one UI core in its version 5. So we are going to modify it. We see that this customization thing in present, so we are going to leave in a normal size in which it came by default. We are going to see if here in clock there is any change at the moment, but we see that neither. We are going to see here if the processor or the system as such applies. Let's run the test here again to see how it behaves, and we see that at the moment all the cores are working at their maximum frequency. As such, so there is not limitation. So for good, no, all good here. Let's remember, or well, as a reference mode, this performance data we see here is the one provided by the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I am using. So at the moment we see identical theoretical performance. So for now, 10 out of 10, so you could say. Let us see if here in the camera there is any change or function or design. Here is the Easter egg as the such of Android 13, so we are going to see it, the time 1 p.m. or 13, and here we have it. It is the last thing we can comment on one UI core for now, as well as first impressions. So here we also have these or modes or profiles, which is incorporated quite well with these routines of the Samsung Assistant. I am not going to mention it because I already activated the wizard once here. So okay, we are going to disable the mode Do Not Disturb, and we see that there is not much to add either. Well, let's see here if we can add some toggle. We are going to add the one we have here, but later we will take an in-depth look at the rest of the toggles we have there to add. I hope you like it, and I will see the possibility later to be able to review one UI 5 core for this Galaxy A22 5G. And here has come today's video. I hope you like it. If so, remember that you can subscribe, activate the notification bell so you don't miss any video on this channel. And with nothing more to add from me, see you in a new video that will surely be soon.